Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll give you a quick room tour of the apartment in Salalah that I'm currently staying in. So let's get started. So this is the main entrance to my apartment, and right outside the entrance you can see long corridor with lift, and you can enter the apartment from either of the way. And opposite my apartment there is another apartment. So right side to the main entrance we have the doorbell. As we open the main door, we step into the living room. The living room is quite big and has a cozy setup with 3 sofas, 2 single-seaters and 1 3-seater sofa along with a wooden center table. There's also a small square table in the corner. The room has a window that brings in some natural light. We also have a 6-seater dining table, though only 3 chairs are currently placed with it. On the side there is a TV with its stand. It's a regular satellite TV, not a smart TV. Moving on from living room, we have the bathroom here, the kitchen here, and the bedroom to the left. So let's see the bathroom. Let's switch on the lights. It's a compact space with heater and bathtub. Next is the bedroom. It comes with a queen size cot and a bed and a mirror stand and a cupboard. From the bedroom window you can get a nice view as well. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. So it has a gas range. So the gas to the gas stove comes from cylinder that is placed outside the building. There is a washing machine, a fridge. The fridge is quite big. There's a front load washing machine. And here we have few cans of drinking water. From the kitchen, there's a small balcony space, mainly used for drying clothes and a bit of storage. So if you're someone who have watched my cost of living in Oman video, you probably already know that furnished apartments in Muscat can be pretty expensive, like about 200 Omani Riyal and all. But here in Salalah, it's much more budget friendly. You can actually find furnished apartments starting from just 100 Omani Riyal. That includes Wi-Fi, electronics and all the furnitures which I have shown in this video. The only extra things you need to pay for separately are the pipe water, electricity and cooking gas. That's it. How about a night view of the bedroom? That's wrap up of my apartment tour. Hope you enjoyed this little peek into my space. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.